Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best 4K mirror dash cam in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best 4K mirror dash cam in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The WOLFBOX G840S 12 inches 4K mirror dash cam is a cutting-edge solution for drivers seeking enhanced safety and convenience. Featuring a sleek 12-inch display, this smart rearview mirror replaces your traditional mirror, offering a crystal clear 2160p Full HD view of both the front and rear of your vehicle. Equipped with dual cameras, it provides seamless coverage, ensuring you never miss a detail on the road. The advanced night vision technology guarantees optimal performance even in low-light conditions, making it perfect for nighttime driving. Ideal for cars and trucks, the G840S is designed to improve visibility and reduce blind spots, enhancing overall driving safety. Its user-friendly interface and easy installation make it accessible for all drivers. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway, the WOLFBOX G840S ensures peace of mind with its reliable recording and monitoring capabilities. Upgrade your driving experience with this state-of-the-art dash cam and backup camera system. Number 2. WOLFBOX G930 10 inches rear view mirror camera. Revolutionize your driving experience. Upgrade your vehicle with the WOLFBOX G930, a cutting-edge 10-inch rearview mirror camera that combines advanced technology with sleek design. This 4K dash cam offers crystal clear front and rear recording, ensuring you capture every detail on the road. Equipped with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the G930 allows seamless connectivity to your smartphone for real-time viewing and easy video downloads. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making navigation a breeze. With wide dynamic range (WDR) technology, the camera delivers superior image quality, even in low light or high contrast conditions. The rearview mirror backup camera enhances safety by providing a wide-angle view, eliminating blind spots during parking or reversing. Built for convenience, the G930 also features loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and parking monitoring. Whether you're commuting or embarking on a road trip, the WOLFBOX G930 ensures you drive with confidence, security, and style. Experience the future of dash cams today. Number 3. The Pelsee P12 Pro 4K mirror dash cam is a cutting-edge smart driving assistant designed to elevate your driving experience. Featuring a sleek 12-inch rearview mirror display, this advanced dash cam offers crystal clear 2160p resolution for both front and rear cameras, ensuring every detail is captured in stunning 4K quality. Equipped with ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, and BSD, blind spot detection, it provides real-time alerts for lane departure, forward collision, and blind spot monitoring, enhancing safety on the road. Voice control functionality allows for hands-free operation, making it convenient and user-friendly. The dual camera setup ensures comprehensive coverage, while the intuitive interface and easy installation make it accessible for all drivers. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on long road trips, the Pelsee P12 Pro is your reliable companion, combining advanced technology, safety features, and superior video quality for a smarter, safer driving experience. Number 4. The WOLFBOX G900 Pro Mirror Dash Cam is a cutting-edge device designed to enhance your driving experience with superior safety and convenience. Featuring a 12-inch rearview mirror display, it seamlessly integrates a front 4K and rear 2.5K camera, providing crystal clear footage of your surroundings. Equipped with the advanced STARVIS 2IMX678 sensor, it delivers exceptional low-light performance, ensuring high-quality recordings day or night. This dash cam comes with a pre-installed 128GB card, offering ample storage for your recordings. Voice control functionality allows for hands-free operation, making it easier to manage settings while driving. The G900 Pro also includes a 5-inch IPS screen for real-time monitoring, ensuring you never miss a detail. With its sleek design and advanced features, the WOLFBOX G900 Pro is an ideal choice for drivers seeking a reliable, high-performance dashcam. Whether for security or capturing scenic drives, this device offers unparalleled clarity and convenience. Number 5. 4K Rear View Mirror Camera with 10 inches display and 1080p rear camera. Upgrade your driving experience with this advanced 10 inches mirror dash cam, featuring a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera for crystal clear recording. Designed for safety and convenience, this dual-lens dash cam ensures comprehensive coverage of your surroundings, both inside and outside your vehicle. The built-in 10 inches display seamlessly integrates with your rearview mirror, providing real-time footage and eliminating blind spots. With voice control, you can effortlessly manage settings without taking your hands off the wheel. The 24H parking mode offers round-the-clock surveillance, while night vision ensures clear recordings even in low-light conditions. This dash cam comes with a 32GB SD card included, so you can start recording right out of the box. Whether you're navigating busy streets or parked overnight, this dash cam is your reliable companion for capturing every detail on the road. Stay protected and drive with confidence.